Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun, since it is still summer, to do a video talking about all my favorite products that I have been using this summer for dewy, radiant, beautiful skin. So this isn't gonna be like an eyeshadow, lip product, brow product kind of video. This is all about skin, all about the products that I've been loving that give me just like the perfect dewy look. So I've got 8 products that I want to mention today, and I'm super excited to get into talking about them. So before I do, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you love makeup or just the girly things, then please make sure to subscribe. But if you want to see me talk about my favorite products for dewy skin, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, I wanna get right into talking about them because I'm super excited. A couple of these products I've already mentioned in other videos, but they had to be repeats because they're just amazing, amazing products that I can't get enough of. So I'm not going in any kind of order. I'm just grabbing whatever I see first, and then I'll just like give you a little reason for why I love these products as much as I do. So the first one is a ride or die for me, like a top product ever, and this is in that video that I made. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand GLOWSCREEN in the shade PEACHGASM. You guys, if you have not tried this or another color from this range, you are seriously missing out. You need to go and try this ASAP. I cannot say enough good things about this. It's just so beautiful. It looks good on everyone. The color is amazing, and it just gives your skin this radiant, like you walked off a beach, you got a little sunburn on your cheeks, and this is like your actual skin kind of thing. Like, it's so stunning. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can literally do it any way you want, and it looks good. It's just so crazy. And there's no like chunks of glitter in it. It's just like the most perfect glow. If that makes any sense. Like, it's just like so pretty. And I guess if we're on the topic of like a blush slash highlighter kind of thing, I also have to mention this Glow Lust Radiant Luminizer from Auric. This is also freaking stunning. I have this in the shade Selenite. So this you can use all over your face if you want like an all over kind of dewy look, or you can use it like on top of your makeup as like a finisher highlighter. I've done it both ways, and it is freaking stunning either way that you do it. And this packaging is so luxurious. It feels so heavy. It feels so good. Just like everything about this was done so well. And I am obsessed with this for like that perfect like summery dewy glow. Just amazing. Can't get enough of that, and I know you guys will feel the same way once you try it. The next thing I'm gonna grab is a new product that I tried recently, but I've been using it like nonstop pretty much every day because it's really, really good. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in Amber. This stuff, I'm wearing it right now. It's just so natural looking, and it's not matte in my opinion. Like, it has like this subtle dewiness to it where you can do this without powders on top. All of these products I like to wear with and without powders, and they look amazing either way. But I've noticed, especially when you do these without powders, they're just so, like, your skin looks dewy. It looks beautiful. It looks a little crazy when you have it on like this, but when you put it on your face, it is beautiful. Like I said, I've been using this like every single day, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. Just putting that out there. The next product that I have on my list is from SUPERGOOP. It's the GLOWSCREEN Sunscreen. This will give you the most stunning dewy glow to your face, and this has to be like my #1 product that I'm talking about out of any of these as far as like getting that dewy look goes, because it's just perfect. Like, it has a nice little tint to it for when you put it on your face, and when you blend it out, look at this. It is just amazing. And again, with this, it's not like it has like chunky glitter in it or anything. It just gives your face like such a nice glow. Like it looks like that's my skin, that I've been hydrating, that I've been eating healthy, that I've just been doing all of these amazing things to take care of my skin, and that's like the end result. But no, it's just the GLOWSCREEN sunscreen, and it has SPF 40. You can wear this to the beach, you could wear it under makeup, you could wear it on its own for the day, kind of like a tinted moisturizer kind of thing, and it's so good no matter how you use it. It's never let me down, and I don't imagine that it's going to start. I can't run out of this stuff. It's so amazing. Perfect for the summer for that dewy look. Next, I have a tinted moisturizer, because if you're someone that wants a little bit more coverage than what that's gonna give you, you're gonna love this. So this is from SAIE. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is the Slip Tint Broad Spectrum SPF 35 Sunscreen Tinted Moisturizer. Literally from the moment I put this on my face, I was in love. Like, this stuff is so good, and it gives you a seriously dewy look. This is not matte in any way, shape, or form. It is so dewy, and I have this in the shade 3.5. It's the perfect shade for me, but I wish I could describe to you guys like what this does for my face. It's right here, but it's just like this never-ending dewiness. Perfect shade, like I said. It's just beautiful, and it feels so good on the skin. Whenever I wear this, it feels like I'm wearing a moisturizer. It doesn't feel like I have like a sticky, gross feeling foundation on. It just feels like a moisturizer, and it's so beautiful. Like, my entire hand right now is just glowing from all of these products, because when I say that these make you dewy, I'm not kidding. They're just amazing. The next product that I want to talk about, mine is so dirty and crusty and gross, so I'm so sorry. I literally use this every day of my life. It is the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener in 7 Deep Butter. This is so good, you guys. I can't stress enough the amazing things that this does for my skin. Here's what it looks like applied. So I wouldn't say that this is as dewy as the rest of these products, but it's definitely not matte, and it just, every time I wear it, I'll put it under my eyes. I'll do like the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and then like right here and on my chin. And those areas of my skin, whenever I wear this, are just like glowing. They look so much brighter. They look so much dewier. They just look so nice. It's just so pretty. Like, I seriously, I don't know what she put in here, but it's like magical, and I can't recommend it enough. Like, and honestly, all of these products together, I didn't even realize that like I kind of picked something from each face category, but all of these products together would give you like the ultimate perfect dewy face. So all of these products in general are just so good. But this for your under eyes and all of those areas that you want to brighten up on your face, thank me later. And then down to the last 2 products. So the next one that I'm gonna talk about, I mention in so many videos because this stuff is like, I don't even wanna say what, but it's just so good. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I use this for everything. I seriously use it for everything. Like, if I'm feeling dry throughout the day, I pull this out, spray my face. If I'm setting my makeup, pull this out, spray my face. If I'm prepping my face, my makeup, same thing. I literally use this so much, it's not even funny. Like, this has only lasted me probably like a month or 2 because I use it so freaking much, and I need to go buy more because I can't let myself run out of this. But it gives your skin, like, even if you're a little bit matte, it gives your skin this just like, I don't want to say wet look, but kind of like that. It's just like you glow a different way. I don't know how to explain it, but it just does something for my skin that just makes my jaw drop every time. It's just so good. Glow Recipe did such a good job on this, and I'm gonna use it forever. So on to the last product. It is brand new. I actually just tried this, but I have to mention it in here because it like really wowed me and really impressed me. It is the DEZI Do Me Over Prep, Set, and Refresh Face Mist. This stuff I'm gonna put it on my face so I could show you guys. I know I did that in my review video. If you haven't watched that, make sure to go watch it because I talk more in depth about this. But let me just put it on my face for you. Look at my skin now. I don't know if the camera's picking up what I am seeing, but my face is now, like, it literally looks like I went and got sprayed by a hose, but like in a good way, in the best way, like a very like fine misty hose. It's just so pretty, and now I have a glow that I didn't have before. And it feels so good, it looks so good, just everything about it is so good, and it's perfect for this time of year, like for the summer. And this is also another one of those products where you can like prep your skin with it, you can set your makeup with it, you can just like pull it out of your bag to refresh your makeup. Or if you're just feeling dry, you could spray it onto your face, and it feels so refreshing and it looks so amazing. Just like everything about this, I'm obsessed with at the moment. I would say that these two products are very, very, very similar to each other. I don't know yet which one I like more. I'm gonna have to test them out more to see what I prefer. But I feel like I could fit both of them, honestly. Like, I feel like I could use one and the other equally, and they both just look so amazing on my face. So that's it. I think that's all I have for today's video. That's all 8 products. Those are products that I like really, really, really strongly recommend to you. If you're anything like me and you just love to look dewy and radiant and glowy at all times, these products are going to be so good for you for that. Like, I seriously cannot recommend these enough. Also amazing. I'll link them all down below with like pricing and everything like that, so you have an idea of cost and everything too. But that's all I got for today. So comment down below, let me know what you think of my choices for the video. If you've tried any of these, also let us know. We always love to hear everyone's opinions, so just let me know everything that's on your mind right now. Comment, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.